I bought this just to make one thing. Hey Credos! In midlife, I'm really trying to down stuff the things I own. But once in a while, I find something I really need. An immersion blender. I had never even heard of these until a couple of years ago. And now, it's indispensable. I initially bought it just to make homemade mayo with organic ingredients without costing an arm and a leg. I'll show you that in a minute because it's so easy. But this little baby's also great for milkshakes, smoothies, baby food, puree, soup, all sorts of things. Let me quickly just show you how it works. First of all, it is cordless and rechargeable. It comes with a cord that plugs right in here and then goes right into your USB-A. To charge the unit, you're just gonna plug this in right like this. And you'll notice the lights here will indicate that it is charging. It's got a nice grip on the handle, and you can use it like this at 180 degrees, or you can push on the lock button, push it in, turn the handle. You can also use it at 135, or push it again, 90 degrees. To remove the blade, you just look for the lock, you turn it, pull it off, put it back in, turn to lock it in place. To start the unit, you're just gonna hold the on-off button for a couple of seconds till the lights come on. You'll see that the lights indicate the level of charge. Now all you do to use it is press the start button. On the top, there's a speed dial and it has 21 variable settings. You just turn the top. To turn it back off, press the on-off button. Let me show you how I make my favorite mayo. I bought this immersion blender initially just to make homemade mayonnaise using really good ingredients. So I'm gonna share with you exactly how that works. First, 1 organic egg right in my pretty little jar. Next, 1 cup of oil of your choice. I choose an organic avocado oil. Some people like extra virgin olive oil. I like the flavor of this the best. I add a couple of teaspoons of mustard. I like Dijon, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. A little bit more won't hurt. And then some Celtic sea salt to taste. Now comes the fun part. I'm just gonna turn my unit on. The lights will come on. Put my immersion blender down by the egg and watch the magic. Hopefully you can see that. You have this beautiful, organic, thick, creamy mayo. Now I can just easily detach the head and take this to the sink to clean out after I get all the goodness out. And when it's all done, I store it in the fridge in these very cute jars with these nice sealing lids. If you're looking for a kitchen gadget that you will actually use, this handheld cordless immersion blender might just do the trick like it did for me. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell. You can also follow along on Instagram at Midlife Credo. And join the Midlife Tribe on Facebook too, where we're thriving midlife without the crisis. Now you go have an immersive day.